Hey students, a very good morning to all of you students. I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. And students, this video is in continuation of your previous one. In this video, we are going to cover our second subject, which is mathematics today. Your mathematics book is there on screen, so you also have to go and bring out your mathematics books. Along with it, you must have to carry a sharp pencil and eraser. Plus, you must have to carry a bowl full of beans, okay? Because today I'm going to introduce you an activity first, which you all have to do at your home surely, and then you have to continue with the written portion. Okay, so students, I am repeating one more time. You must have to bring out your maths book, a sharp pencil and eraser, and the third thing, which is the most important, is a bowl full of beans, okay, which is required for the activity. So hurry up students, I am waiting for you over here. So you have to go and bring out all those material which is required for today, and then we will start with the activity first. As you know that in the previous session we had completed our previous unit, that is your unit D, and today I am going to introduce you a new unit. That unit is somewhat in brief. The concept of addition we already covered in the previous session, in our previous unit. So today we are continuing with the same concept of addition, but that should be in detail. In the previous unit, I introduced you addition with only one digit numbers. Today, we are going to do addition with two digit number. That is the main difference between both, right? So, आपको already पता है what we have to do in additions, right? So, today I will introduce you an activity. तो आपने उसको ध्यान से करना है with full concentration, with full focus over here. So, hurry up, students. I am waiting for some time, and then we will start. Okay, I hope so that now you all are ready. First of all, you have to open your maths book. Okay, come on page number 6767 first, because as I told you before that we will start with the activity first, right? So firstly we will see what we will require for the activity. So students, the first thing which you require for the activity is number cutouts. It's very easy. If you don't have the number cutout, so you can easily make it at your home. Take small square cutouts and then write numbers on it, that you can use as a number cutouts. Okay, so this is resolved. Now the second thing you must require is beans. So as I told you before that आपने एक bowl full of beans अपने साथ carry करना है for an activity, so that is also done. Now card of plus sign, or you can say addition sign. So this you also can prepare easily. You can take square cutouts and draw a addition sign on it. Okay, so this is also resolved. Now you can also take colors in place of beans. If you don't have beans, so आप colors भी use कर सकते हो. So that is totally optional. If you want to do with colors, so you can go with colors. If you want beans, so you can do it with beans. Okay, so these three things you require. The very first thing is number cutouts, second thing is beans, and the third one is addition sign. Okay, now I am coming on the activity, that how we have to cover this activity. So let's start students. First of all, with the help of number cutouts and beans, introduce two digit addition to the child. So what we will do, we will take these number cutouts and we will introduce them two digit addition to the child, because in the earlier session we are only doing one digit additions, right? How, like there is 2 and there is also 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. That is one digit number. But now we are introducing them two digit number. Suppose here, this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Okay, 1, 2, and this is 1, 1. So now you have to add this. So if we add both of these numbers, so we are getting two digit numbers. Here we are only getting one digit number. है ना? 4 is a single number. So when we add two numbers over here, we are getting only one number. But in this case, if we add two numbers, we are getting two numbers. So that is your two digits number. Two digits number addition is that addition where we are getting our answer in two digits. Okay, so that is the difference between both. So we have to always start from the right hand side. That thing you have to keep it in your mind whenever you are doing your two digit addition. So you have to start from this side. ओके अपनी राइट हैंड साइड से आपको स्टार्ट करना है. फर्स्टली यू विल सॉल्व द राइट हैंड साइड, देन यू आर कंटिन्यू विद द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. Okay, so now we will start, and the second thing you have to keep it in your mind कि आपने देखना है which is the biggest number. So the biggest number you have to keep it in your and add the smallest number. So 2 plus 1. So you have 2 already. If I am giving you one more being, so it is 3. So write 3 over here. Okay. Now, if you're done with the right hand side, shift to the left hand side. This is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you will see that your answer is 2 digit number. Parents, in this way you have to introduce two digit addition to the children, that you have to differentiate them in the one digit addition as well as the two digit addition, right? Then encourage the children to add the right side first with a bigger number in their mind. As I told you before, that you have to encourage our child that you have to always start from the right hand side first, and then you have to keep the bigger number in your mind and then add the smaller number with the help of beats. After adding, let the child show the answer with the number cutouts. Suppose they are adding the very first right hand side, so they will say 3. So you have to encourage our child that you have to show it with the number cards. You will give the number cards to our kids, and then he will take the right number card and place it below the right hand side. Okay, and in the same way you have to let the child add the left hand side and show it with the number cutouts in the similar way, the way I'll show it with the number 2 cutout. Okay, then you have to carry out this activity till the child have understood the concept, that how you have to do the activity with the other quantities. Okay, so for the children to work independently, you have to keep prepared more sums in the box as given in the image, right? You can prepare these kind of sums also for our kids for the practice, right? So in this way, you have to introduce this kind of activity at home with the help of beans and with the help of the number cutouts. So now we are taking an instance with the other numbers, right? Let me erase it first, then we will start. So I will give you an example that how you have to conduct this activity at your home with the help of the numbers as well as, sorry, number cutout as well as with the beats. So let's take the numbers first. So first of all, parents, you have to show them the number cutouts. Okay, so I am writing over here 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so these are the number cutouts you have to show to our kids. Then you have to place the addition cutout over here. Then ask the kids that you have to solve this sum. Okay, so student will solve the sum. Maybe at first he will start from the left hand side. So you have to say that student, you have to start with the right hand side always. Whenever you do the addition, you have to start with the right hand side. So you have to point out the right hand side to kids that this is your right hand side to start from this side. Okay, after that you have to tell our kids that kids, आपने क्या करना है, you have to keep the biggest number in your mind. So you will see which is the biggest number in both 2 or 1. 2. So you have to keep 2 in your mind, and then you have to add 1 into it. How you will add? You have to take one bean from the bowl, place it over here. So I'm saying that 2 beans you already have. You have add 1 into it. So how many you have now? 2 plus 1, it's 3. So you will write 3 over here. Not write 3 over here. You have different number cutouts. Take the right cutout and place it over here. So you will take 3 number cutout and place it next to your number. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is 3. When you're done with the right hand side, you have to conduct with the left hand side. So in the same manner, you have to come on the left hand side over here and then start doing. Firstly, you have to observe both the numbers and see which is the biggest number. So tell me which one is the biggest number? It's your number 3. So 3, you have to keep it in your mind and add 2 into it. So take 2 beans, this is your 1 bean, this is your 2 bean. So 3 you already have, you add 2 more bean into it. So how many total you have? You have 5 beans, right? So now take the correct number cut out and place it over here. So it's number 5. Okay, students? So in this manner, you have to conduct this activity at your home with different sums, right? Now we will shift towards our next exercise. So turn your page around and come on the next. So this is your next page which we have to cover today, okay? But don't forget, first of all, you have to surely do your activity first and then you have to continue with the next worksheet, okay? So let me erase first. All right, students, so here, if you see this worksheet carefully, so what you will observe, there are lots of apples given over here and there are sums, different sums with different numbers. So we have to solve those sums, okay? So before starting this worksheet, the very first thing which you all have to do is you have to come on top, write the date, in the given column. Also circle the day, whatever the day is today, you are going to circle it first. Then go outside, check the weather today and circle the clip art. Firstly, complete this task, then we will continue with the our worksheet. Okay, so as you see over here, the caption written is add two digit numbers. So if you will see this worksheet carefully, in each apple there are two digits over here. So we have to add these sums. We have to find two digit numbers by adding all those numbers, right? So firstly complete this task, then we will continue with this. Okay, so students, firstly we will also read the information given over here, then we will solve these sums. So what is written over here? Give children 9 beans to add. Remind them to keep the number on top in the mind. You have to keep that number in your mind, which is the biggest number, and take the number below with beans. Remind them to add the right side first. Okay, so in the same way you have to do the way I told you in the activity, that you have to start with the right hand side first, then you have to keep the biggest number in your mind, uh, show it with the beans, then the number below to it you have to show it with beans again, add all the beans together, and then you have to write the all together number below. Okay, so let's start. Okay, there is also a conversation between two friends, Tina and Tony. Let's see what they say and then start. Now, Tina, the girl, said, "Now write a double-digit number." They are also doing the same concept of addition with two-digit number. So Tina said that we will write double digit number. So Tony said, sure, I will write 4444. So Tony write a double digit number. That number is 4444. Then Tina said, I will write 3232 under it. That means Tina said that I will write 32 number below this number. So Tony said, adding the right side first. So Tony, what's Tony do? Tony will write 4444 number and Tina will write number 3 to 32 below this number. Okay, so Tony said, I will start with the right hand side. Which is the right hand side, students? The right hand side is this. Right? So Tony said, when I'll add right hand side, I will get 4 plus 2 is 6. So he will write 6 over here. How he will add? Firstly, he will see the biggest number. It's 4. So he will take 4 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then he will add 2 beans into it. So he will count two beans and put it over here. Then all together, he will count all the beans. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number is 6. So he will write over here. Now in the same way, he will say that Tina, you will add the left hand side. So Tina said, adding the left side, we get 7. Okay, so when they add the two digits number, that makes 7676. That means 4444 plus 3232, we get 7676. Okay, in the same way we have to do with these equations, right? So now I will erase it, and now we will start with the upper half, right? So come up and carry this one, right? Let's start. So students, we will start with with which side? With right hand side. So this is your right hand side. Let's start. So the very first number is 4. So how many beans you have to take? You have to take 4 beans. One, 2, 3, 4. When you take 4 beans, then come on the next number. The number is 2. So take 2 beans more. Now count all the beans. How many beans you have? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your answer over here is 6. So please write 6 over here. Okay. Now in the same way, we have to do with the left hand side. So firstly, we will see the number 5. So take 5 beans. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the next number is 3. We have to add 3 more. So take 3 beans and add one, 2, 3. Now all together, how many you have? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have our answer, and our answer is 8686. What that means? It means when you add 32 in your number 5444, you get 86. Alright? Okay, let's do the next. This is already done, so you just have to trace it. Okay, and in the same way you also have to color the apples with red color. Okay, with red color crayon you have to color it. Okay, but make sure that your color should not come outside the image. Okay, now come on the next sum. So the next sum is 4848 plus 2020. So we will start with the right hand side, students. You will see over here there is number 8. And what is the next number? How many we have to add in number 8? 0. 0 means nothing. If you have 8 things and someone is not giving you anything, so you have only 8 things, है ना? So you have to write over here only 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Write it over here. Now start with the left hand side. So the first number is 4. So you have 4 beans. You add 2 into it. So you already have 4. You add 2 more. So 4 plus 2. 4. These are the 4. 5, 6. So you will get 6. So 48 plus 20 is 68, 68. Right? So now come down and see the next sum. Firstly, I want that you will do it first by on, and then I will tell you the answer. Okay, so this one you have to do by on. I am giving you some time. Firstly, solve this sum. In the same way, do it with the right hand side, then with the left hand side, and tell me the answer. Then I will check is it right or wrong. So I'm giving you some time. I'm giving you at least 5 minutes. Okay. So please complete this sum, and then I will check. Okay. So students, hurry up. Do it fast. Start with the right hand side. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. So now we will start. I will check your answer. So have you done with the right hand side? Yes, ma'am. What's your answer? Ma'am, 5. Okay, tell me how you do it. Ma'am, this is 4. So we will take 4 beans. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we will add one more bean. So we will count all the beans and we will get number 5. Very good. That's great. Okay. So what's your left hand side answer? Ma'am, answer is 8. Okay, let's check. Let me check it first. Is it right or wrong? So your answer is 8, right? Let's see. So firstly, we will take 6 beans. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then all together we will take 2 more beans. So firstly we have 6, then 7, 8. Yes, your answer is 8. What's your answer? Your answer is 8, 5, 85. Very good. Let's do the next sum. So we will start with the right hand side. So the number is 4. So take 4 beans and put it over here. One, 2, 3, 4. How many you add more? You have to add one more bean. So add one more. Now count how many you have. 4 you already have. You add 1 into it. So you will get number 5. So write it over here. The next is your number 9. But you don't have to add any number into it. So 9 already you have to write over here. So your answer is 9595. When you have 94 beans, you add one more into it. How many you have? 95. Okay, students, now this is your last sum. You have to do it by on. I am giving you this homework, so you have to do it as a homework and then I will check it by tomorrow. Okay, so kindly complete this worksheet by today. And again I am saying one thing, that first of all you have to cover the activity first and then start with the worksheet. Okay, so that's it for your today's session. In this session, we covered our math subject with an activity as well as our written work. Okay, so that's it. Have a good day, students. God bless you. Complete this task and send your work on time.